Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the new corner office of stressless camping. Wait. Isn't that where the theater seats are? Oh, they were. Working with my nephew, we are removing the old theater seats out of the Rockwood. They're very comfortable. We really like them, but they got to go. We're going to put in an office. Ta-da! We have gotten the chairs out with my awesome nephew Joe. There he is, mechanic extraordinaire. So there's the future office of stressless camping. And thank you, Rockwood. You even put a plug that's very convenient. They're out. And so what are we replacing these with? Because they are very comfortable. Nice material. Oh, it's somewhere back there in the garage.
Well, the new seats are in. The cool thing is we can either have it looking out the window or watching the TV if we want to. The desks are adjustable height and it's all fairly light, so good thing. Now on to do some work.